will Tesla Model 3 wheel spacer affect the ride quality?
BONOSS Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers won't negatively affect the ride quality. Using 20mm Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers to increase the track width boosts cornering performance. Even if you don't change the tires, the more track width, the better the handling of curves and swerving. Generally, vehicles prefer to have wider track width to reduce the rolling tendency and enhance stability. Installing quality 20mm Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers, you will have a more comfortable experience when taking corners. BONOSS Aluminum 20mm Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are hard-anodizing to resist corrosion. A proper hard-anodizing coating ensures complete protection against corrosion. This means that the coatings will not fade easily. BONOSS 20mm Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers will serve you in the long run.
So that's all for today's video. If you want to get BONOSS wheel spacers on Tesla Model 3, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.